Hello everyone. In this video I will teach you how to find all social media accounts by username. Open browser and search sherlock.py. Open Sherlock project, copy project link and git clone with terminal. Install pip requirements. I am already install requirements. Type Python 3 Sherlock and username. Sherlock is a tool that scans social networks and other sites for the existence of a specified username. The current list shows the sites that are scanned. Note: Sherlock is not accepting adult sites in the standard list. Adult sites may be added to the Sherlock data NSFW repo. Find usernames across over 75 social networks. This is useful if you are running an investigation to determine the usage of the same username on different social networks.